Almost 5 years since he was charged for an alleged pork barrel scam, senatorial candidate Jinggoy Estrada will get another opportunity to seek the dismissal of his plunder case. This time by challenging evidence presented by the prosecution halfway through his trial. The Sandiganbayan granted Estrada's motion for leave of court to file a demurrer to evidence. This allows him to seek a dismissal of his case without presenting his own evidence.
The defense now will argue, will present all the reasons now why the case should be dismissed for lack of sufficiency of evidence. If the court grants the demurrer to evidence, it amounts to acquittal.
The court allows the same option for Estrada's alleged cohort, businesswoman Janet Lim Napoles. State prosecutors insist there's enough evidence to pin down Estrada and Napoles, but the grant of motion for leave is a step forward for the accused.
If the court approves the motion for leave, the permission to file that demurrer to evidence, in all likelihood, the court is predisposed to grant demurrer to evidence. Of course, that's not the rule, that's not the law, but in all likelihood, there is a predisposition already to grant the demurrer to evidence.
Divina says there's also the possibility that a demurrer will be denied. This was what happened in the PCSO plunder case of then-President, now House Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The Sandiganbayan denied her demurrer to evidence, but the Supreme Court decided otherwise when it reviewed the anti-graft court ruling. In the same way, Estrada and Napoles can still look to the High Court if their demurrer is denied, or they can choose to simply continue with a trial.
So there's no harm to him. If he is denied by the court, then he will present his evidence.
Estrada is out on bail. He faces charges of pocketing around 180 million pesos by diverting his pork barrel to fake non-government organizations controlled by Napoles. AC Nichols, CNN Philippines.